Hello viewers, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can change the password of your Facebook account. Open Chrome, now search your Facebook, now log in your profile. Click on the option above at the right side, click here and go to setting. Now click on security and login. You can see here login, click on change password. Now enter your current password here. Now enter your new password here. Now retype the new password. Click on save changes. Click on continue. Now your profile password has changed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates.